Hello guys, I'm back in the studio and that means I'm gonna paint. If you see here, I have 15 colors ready to make one big Dutch pour. So I'm gonna pour them all in one puddle. Last year I did one with 12 colors. At first I would thought it would turn out as a muddy painting, but it was gorgeous. So let's see if I can do it again, but then with a little bit more. I have two canvases, so two chances. Let's go. Okay, so the base of white is on here and let's start pouring the colors. Let's start with this ultramarine blue. Some violet. Some turquoise. This is gonna be a blue story, I think. No, I will do yellow, pink. Are you keeping track of all the colors I'm using here? Some metallics in there as well. I have this beautiful color. Red, did I already use red? Light turquoise. Are there any colors left? Yellow, and maybe just a touch of yellow. This is gonna be a lot. Copper. Copper. It's beautiful. This looks beautiful. Okay. Pouring white around this. Torch out the air bubbles. I really hope this is gonna turn out like the first one. Let's go. Okay, things are happening. Let's blow it out. I'm just gonna blow it out. Somehow the metallic is taking over here. Did I use a lot of metallic? I don't even know. I don't like this part and here. This is gorgeous. Let me see what will pop up here. Ah, that's the light pink. Yeah, this part looks very nice. And this is beautiful, but here, not so much. I think I can, there's a lot of paint under there. Maybe I can take a bit away because it's very heavy here. No, I'm gonna let me take that off. This part, like from here, and then this. I know you guys hate it when I scrape off things, but when I'm not happy with the painting, it's sad to let it dry and keep it. So, or I make it worse, or I make it my own. Yeah, this is beautiful now. I really like it. I'm just fixing the sides because when I scrape, the sides go bad. I'm just taking some white from what's on the table. Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna give you. So here she is in overview. And the other canvas remains untouched. I really like this part. But I didn't need all the 15 colors for that. It's cool. Let me see if I can find some rainbow parts. Maybe here. I really do like the composition as well. It's different than what I normally do. I really hope you like this painting, and my advice normally is to use 4 or 5 colors, but you can do with 15 as well, so go ahead. I'll see you next time, guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit that notification bell and like button. It really helps my channel. I'm on the road to 100k subs, and all thanks to you. Oh, okay, I will let you go and see you next time. Bye, guys.